Hi subscribers, hi viewers. I just arrived at the Beijing West train station. Today we're traveling to Handan, which is in Hebei. And first of all, what we had to do, we had to get our COVID, to show them our COVID tests through our phone, the app which shows that. Then after that, we need to get into the station, which you do it through this lady here. They need to scan my passport. You cannot get into a station or travel in China, especially using public transport, without your ID or your passport. So I'm just going to stop, do the process, then after that we'll be heading to the boarding area. The process was easy and fast. Now we're heading towards the boarding area, and that's where we'll be getting our train. This is one of if it's not the oldest, it's an old train station compared to the one that I normally travel from. Beijing South is the one that I normally travel from. But when I'm coming back, I'm hoping that I will be showing you the newest train station in Beijing, which is Fengtai train station. It is new, and we'll compare this and to other stations really around. And at the moment, you can just watch and enjoy the video. I've been through this station a couple times, and the boarding areas, the waiting areas, really they're quite separate. It's not like the Beijing South where everyone is in one hall. So coming in is typical a train station where you get your times and everything. And a lot of migrant workers travel through this train station. And it is actually quite a busy station during the holiday seasons, the holiday period. So, and you have to know, like, it serves the Hebei and other areas, and Beijing South serves Tianjin and other areas as well. And okay, these are the waiting areas and the boarding areas as well. And there is some shops around. Like I said, it is a busy station. So let's see, while heading towards our boarding area, what the scene is going to be like, and enjoy the video. And those that have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. So this is the waiting area. Like I said, comparing this one to other train stations, really, it is got, each and every line has got its independent waiting area. Like I said, it is a busy train station. So we just arrived at the right time, and we're just checking in and heading straight to board the train. So it is quite crowded, and we still have to go through the same process of showing the ID, and the passport when boarding. It is, the process is repeated actually. Okay, that's fine. Oh, sorry, being a foreigner, I've been transferred to a different gate because this gate does not accept passports. It only accepts IDs. Okay, thank you. So with this happening, I need to find the one that has got an assistant. So being a foreigner, that's the most complicated issue, where you meet some gates without any part of without any passport scanning facilities. They've got the ID scanning facilities, and that's for me to board the train, and the other one will be like really, otherwise I'm stuck here. So what happened there, my details were entered manually. The reason being is my passport page has had a lot of scratches, and due to my passport always being swiped, being scanned, the facial recognition system is no longer working on my passport, so they have to enter my details manually. So this is getting empty now, getting empty. A lot of people are going to board, and I'll be showing you the train that we'll be traveling on. Like I said, it is a large train station. You'd have seen there a couple of trains, actually a couple of railway lines. Those are the docking stations. And I have to keep on pausing and filming just to show you this. There is some confusion, like people are turning back. But what I wanted to say is really traveling here, if you're a foreigner, you need to make sure that you know basic Chinese, or you got a translator. Without a translator, it can be difficult, especially if it's your first time. But if you have traveled a couple of times, it's not an issue at all, because you just know how to travel and you know what to do. That's the most important part. So anyway, we can see the train from here. So those are a couple of trains, rail tracks, and the trains, and we're traveling on this train. I just need to find exactly where, which one is my carrier, the one that I'm traveling in.